Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Bernard Lodge area in St. Catherine, and we're going to look at one of the largest warehouses in Jamaica. And they're also constructing another warehouse on the property. So we are out by the Carimed facility at the Bernard Lodge, in the Bernard Lodge area. And there you can see they are building another warehouse on the property. And at the top of the screen, that's the warehouse that's finished already. Now, Carimed is one of the largest distributors in Jamaica. They're bringing in a lot of stuff, mostly household items, and then turn around and distribute them across the island. So that's why they need these massive warehouses. Okay, so straight ahead is a warehouse that's under construction, and then the other building, that's the existing Carimed warehouse, and then the building all the way at the back or the top of the screen, that is the Grace Kennedy warehouse. And Bernard Lodge is an area that's seen a lot of development. The government plans to build 15,000 homes in this area, along with a lot of people are investing in warehouse space. And this is just on the outskirts of Spanish Town and Kingston. So this area is going to get a lot of investment. There you can see an existing housing scheme on the left. They actually plan to build another city in the Bernard Lodge area, convert it into another city within St. Catherine. There you can see a very large housing complex. And actually, if we were to continue up that main road to the Spanish Town bypass, across there is the largest commercial development in Spanish Town that's being built there. They're building a plaza. And you can see this is a massive warehouse that they're building. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We will keep you guys updated on this development. And this warehouse now is the one that's operational. And this one they're building. Alright guys, we'll give you updates on this project every month. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.